Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthiac, and I'm a mom who's trying to get a family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Welcome to Freebie Friday, guys. We're trying to decide if I was even going to do this today, but I feel like let's keep going with this and see how well things turn out for us. Today I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, $35 is what I'm working with today. Fantastic number if you ask me. I have 2 savings challenges that I'm working on. And I think what we'll do is odd even. And one of them is a roll and save, so we are going to have to roll to see what we're going to save. Sorry about that, you guys. I had to dig around for my dice. I wasn't prepared. All right, so this savings challenge is a freebie from the Faithful Dash. And this savings challenge is a freebie from Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. So this is my roll and save. So we'll do odd, even, and then this one, like I said, roll and save. So let's jump right in. Okay, so odd, even. Even, we need to do a roll. $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Okay. This one just needs one more. Let's see how much we're adding. So that was 4 and 5. Perfect. All right, so now, oh gosh, how are we going to do this? Let's roll and see how much we're stuffing. 5. So we can try to get through this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just need two more dollars. So we'll just go ahead and add it. Because what we're going to do is add in our other freebies. And that way, oh, we're going to add in our other freebies. That way we know what's happening. Okay. All right. So my first savings challenge, we're going to add it up. I thought I was way more prepared than I actually am. So we have 4 and then 5. And I will link all the ladies down below whose ever savings challenges I end up using. So that way you can go out and check on their channels to see what they have. So 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. I have $38. That is so wonderful. We're going to take $5 here. 2, 3, 4, 5. $5 here. Perfect. So that's what we have remaining to work with. And we will go ahead and put this to the side because we have completed it. And then we will add this cash here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, so we're adding this $7. And this savings challenge officially saved me 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, $28. Oh, that is so wonderful. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a couple big bills because I'm going to be cash stuffing again tomorrow, you guys. So we'll be back again tomorrow for my other savings challenges. Perfect. Okay, so this one officially completed. Yay! All right, so let's try to get through setting this up with our savings challenges we want to do next. All right, so I'm trying to stick with the Easter theme or spring. So this one is the Hop Into Budget with Bunny. Next one is Save with Rose. Then we have the Happy Easter from Batty Bankroll. And this savings challenge is from Books and Finances, and I believe it was a collaboration with Budget with PJ. All right, and then I got this one in the mail as a Happy Mail from Claudine at Foxy Finances. So this one is a scratcher. I have a coin next to me, you know. And this savings challenge I got from Budget for Success. I got this a while ago, and I hadn't taken the opportunity to use it, but we're going to do this one as a roll and save. There are other instructions if you'd like to follow that. And this savings challenge is from Ellie on Earth. I did receive this as well in her Happy Mail. So if you sign up with Ellie, she sends you freebies. So we'll put this one aside because we're not quite ready for it. I think we've stuffed our envelopes with the savings challenges we're going to use. So what we'll do is just, we probably won't get through all of them. Oh no. Okay. Well, it doesn't matter. We're going to go for it. All right. First one getting $4. All right. Next one getting $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one getting $2. 1, 2. And the next one's getting $3. 1, 2, 3. All right. So we only have $1, 2, 3, $4 left. Okay. So this one we're going to scratch. We may have to come back to this one. Nope, we don't have to. $2. I love that because it's a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 challenge. Okay, so we're gonna add $2 here. Oh, I'm so relieved because I always worry about those being big numbers. What am I doing? Okay, and then next up, oh no. Okay, so this one is a roll and save, and I think what we will do is instead of rolling the dice, we're just going to put $2 here today because I think that will work for us. Instead of biting off more than we can chew. So the last savings challenge, which is a scratch out, you know what I'll do? I will scratch this one. Let's see. 4 doll hairs. Yay! Okay, so I owe myself $4. Let me grab an IOU slip. All right, so I'm just going to put I owe myself $4 so then that way I know when I come back to my freebies, which usually is Monday and Friday, I'll know that I owe myself $4 for Ellie on Earth. Let's put the kitty in the front because she is so cute. We'll turn this on. Okay. All right, so we're going to go, skipping it. Try again, Silynthia. Let's keep it together. All right, so this savings challenge, we went ahead and did a roll and save for $2, but we didn't roll, we're just saving. All right, and then we have $2 going into our 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 challenge. You know what? I'm actually really excited that I decided to do the scratch off, so I'm hoping that it all works itself out. Oh my, okay, sorry about that. All right, so our next savings challenge, I believe it was 3. 1, 2, 3. It is indeed. So what we'll do is we will mark off half of 2. Now we have to, so that way I know I'm on track. All right. Next savings challenge is getting $2. How about we just put a little 1, 2 little hearts. Not cool hearts, but hearts nonetheless. Okay. All right, and next up we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doll hairs. All right, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. All right, and then we have $4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So exciting. I'm hoping that I get through these for the month of April, and then I'm able to move forward. I have some other freebies that I want to use. And let me just say, I am truly grateful for you ladies who are offering up freebies. My finances have been so tight for a while. So having all of these freebies has changed my savings plan completely, because it does make it that much more fun, right, to have the savings challenges, but then to also see all of the beautiful things that people are creating. It's been so cool. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.